Here's a secret code for Android phones. On your phone's dial pad, you want to punch in *#0*#. Now this brings up a whole list of options here that you can test. This is also very useful when you're buying a used phone. You can go through and test all these. So first of all is all the colors. So red, green, and blue are all the colors that are used in making, that's how screens make colors basically. They use combinations of those three colors. So it's very important that those are color accurate. I'm not going to go through all of them, but the next one here is vibration. You can test the vibration, make sure that's working. And then dimming, it'll show you all the colors again, and then you tap the screen, make sure it dims, make sure that's functioning properly. And then to get out of that, because there's no home button and double tapping doesn't get you out or anything, you have to press the volume up button. That'll take you back out. And you can test the speaker as well. And make sure that's clear, there's no rasping going on. This phone also has an iris camera, so you can test that as well. You can see the iris sensor flashing up there. So this particular phone has it. This is an older phone. The newer ones do not have that, so that option won't be there. And then something you can also test is sensors. This will give you a readout of all the sensors and what they're showing right now. And you can just go through all these and make sure they're all working. And that's kind of, if you're really nitpicky, you want to make sure everything works. You can also test the proximity sensor. If you bring your finger or anything close to it, you can see mine is going green and it also vibrates. And that tells me the proximity sensor is working properly. And then to go back out of any of these, if your buttons down here show up, you just double tap the back button and that'll take you back. And if it doesn't, you can press the volume up button. That'll take you back as well. So that's just one quick little secret setting that allows you to do some thorough testing, make sure everything works on your phone.